This is Scrapbook.com, and we're in the Reminisce booth looking at a really cool collection called Space Wars 2. So this was inspired by Star Wars, but it's all about outer space and video games and movies and all that kind of stuff. It's really fun. So this is the Space Wars 2 kit that has 8 12x12 papers. You get 2 sheets per design and a coordinating sticker sheet that we will take a look at. So here we have the coordinating sticker sheet full of all sorts of fun phrases that you know and love, like it says Space Wars, Trust the Force, I am one with the Force, Do or Do Not, There is no try, all in beautiful galactic colors. I love the lightsabers up here in the corners too. We'll take a look at a couple papers from the line. We have this really exciting kind of galactic blast off page in the collection. And then also I love this bright purple planets one. Looks like the rings of Saturn or something like that with a beautiful galactic background. And then here we have a really fun layout that was made a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. And this just gives you a little bit of inspiration on how you can use Reminisce's new fun line, Space Wars 2. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!